So hi friends, so welcome back to my channel again. So last video I have shared you some simple techniques and tricks for trigonometry portion. Okay, so today one of the person or user, I can say, contacted me to ask to tell how to simply solve one of the question which is frequently appearing in many competitive papers as well as in exams as so the question what it is if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then what is sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta? Okay, you need not to scratch your head. I'll just tell you. First of all, whatever table you have made, right, you have to go through that table. Okay, so here he has said, what if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0? That means what? Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Am I right? So first basic step is you have to find what is the theta value. Okay, so here if you see sin and cos, this is the table, right? If sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So these are not equal. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Even this 30 degree is not equal. So if you see sin 45, it is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So that means at 45 degree, the sin and cos are equal as per the condition. For 60 and 90, the values are different for cos and sin. So at sin 45 degree, the cos and sin values are equal. Okay, now we know theta value is equal to 45. Okay, from here now we have to find what is sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. That is nothing but what is sin 45? 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4. So if we multiply, what will be this? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So that is nothing but 2 into 2, 1 by 4. Okay, similarly here also it is 1 by 4. Now if you take, this will be 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 2. And apart from this is very important question because I have seen in multiple papers. Okay, so apart from that, in competitive exam you also see the questions like, suppose 8 sin theta plus 17 cos theta is equal to 18. Okay, now what is the value of sin theta, what is the value of cos theta, and what is the value of tan theta, whatever it is. Okay, now to find out the sin theta value, you can simply divide 8 by 18 is the value of sin theta, cos theta is 17 by 18, and tan theta is sin by cos, that is 18 by 18 into 18 by 17. So the tan is 8 by 17. That's all, simple. Okay, so if you have any more things, or apart from trigonometry, if you have anything else, let me know. I'll just help you out with a simple and basic tricks which is very less time consuming and very simple. You need not to scratch your head for anything. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.